TikTok, the popular social media platform known for its short videos, has been blocked in Nepal. Many users in the country are frustrated by this restriction and are looking for ways to unblock the app. One method that some people have found success with is using a virtual private network or VPN. By connecting to a VPN server outside of Nepal, users can bypass the restrictions put in place by the government and access TikTok as if they were in a different country. However, not all VPNs work reliably in Nepal, so users may need to try out different options to find one that works for them. Another potential solution is to use a proxy server to access TikTok. By routing their internet traffic through a proxy server located in a different country, users can disguise their location and access the app without being blocked. However, like VPNs, not all proxy servers may work in Nepal, so users may need to experiment with different options to find one that is effective. Overall, the blocking of TikTok in Nepal has caused frustration for many users who enjoy the app. By using VPNs or proxy servers, some users have been able to bypass the restrictions and continue using TikTok as normal.